What's going on, everybody? Luke here again, bringing you another video. Today, we're going to do a quick recap on meltables. Now, I did a video because there was the other day, obviously, about meltables, about what is this thing that no one has heard of? Will all my stock that's chocolate related be destroyed by Amazon, which is what they said that they would do if it falls under the meltables. Now, I emailed them asking what is even a meltable that's in my inventory. They came back and said this item here is one of the items. So what did I do? I then recalled about 6 of these and left 1 in, or 2, maybe 2, just in case one sold, just to see if my stock would be destroyed or whatever, just to see what would happen. A lot of these things you got to do trial and error. You just got to try them. You got to see how and just see what happens. So it's the 16th today. I've come. Yesterday was going to be the day that it was the last day. So today shouldn't, in theory, there should not be meltables in Amazon if they're enforcing the policy. Well, look what there's still just exactly the same amount of sellers. There is all these FBA sellers here, FBA sellers here. Nothing's happened. Absolutely nothing's happened. So it seems that even though there are multiple products, they're not even really enforcing it. Yeah. So really, there's nothing to be worried about. And of course, you may have recalled stock not knowing because you're a bit nervous and scared, and rather recall it and then not get it destroyed. But you can see from this test that I've done that I'm 99% sure that none of the meltables are actually getting enforced, and you can crack on as per usual and send stuff back in if you need to, because obviously you might have got put off by it, or you might be put off by it now, like, oh, I won't source any chocolate related products until October, which is the date that they say that you're not allowed to send stuff in. But actually that isn't the case, and it is possible there are items that they are enforcing it on, but I would say probably not. Obviously I don't sell every single item, so I can't prove it. But if this is meant to be a meltable product and it's still selling, then clearly they're just not enforcing it, and that probably means they're not enforcing it across the board, rather than picking and choosing, which I wouldn't expect an Amazon company the size of Amazon to be doing. Anyway, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Well, nothing to really enjoy, is there? You know what I mean. But yeah, it's just to update you on the situation with the meltables, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.